Good morning, and a happy new week. I'm sorry I was unable to show up on Friday because of one of my business locations. It needs a very serious attention, and I went ahead to put some things in place. Nigerian Empire has been frustrating us. I've got to okay, let's put the necessary solar something so that it can help and assist during this time. So I used Friday to attend to that, and that's the reason why I was unable to show up. This will be picking up from our analysis on Thursday, and we'll be taking things from that. So now, where are we in the market? For a while, we just to take some, and we were waiting during the presidential from this, and it went ahead to since initially when I started this we talked about how I'm expecting a retracement into some levels here, and picking our range, our 50% got tapped. I discussed, I was talking about picking these levels that are heavy, but I told you that, okay, to be on the safer side, I would rather take this inverted order block, reverse order block that we have in between this place. And as we have it, this level, it still got its reaction. The reaction we are seeing here still happened within this leg also. But nonetheless, that's still part of the game anyway. So far, we have a reaction we wanted, and the 50% has been tapped, and we are expecting this low to be taken out of the out. I'm expecting it to be taken. So this is our weekly low. So this week, this is still our dealing range until we have markets close to below this low. Then we have another new range that we can be capitalizing on. Let's go to 4 hour and see our trade and see what is going on there. So, like I said, we have this 50% being reacted from, and this level being taken out. The way I was busy doesn't allow me to take out this level because we have, I picked this trade materialize perfectly from this level, and it almost hit our TP. It almost hit our TP. I mean, our be a manipulation, and we have this perfect level being perfectly taken, and this internal what is it called the level, and we have a perfect reaction. And this is we are expecting market to go even. We would have tried to do what is it called reduce our stop loss, but I talked about I have enough time to sit down and monitor trade these days. So I have other things I'm dealing with. So I just have to presidential election. What is it called? Leg. We don't know what it can give birth to, so we just have to play carefully. But as we get very pure hand again, and the thing has settled, and we can now confidently be reducing our zones and even minimizing our peak point of interest. So from what we have here now, let's review our trade and see where we are going. It's a very long trade, and we have this 1 to 5 in the market that we are waiting on. We use 52 pips. Last video, you see the reason why we pick that level and understand better. So we have 1 to 5 that we're going to, but we didn't. After even setting this order here, we've had this little trade within it, and it's unable to cancel it. Then it comes ahead and eat our stop loss. So these are the trades that we have in the market, which we are expecting market to read and give us a. So let's go to, so that's our trade. That's what we were able to capitalize on last trade, this trade here, to continue to move in its direction. As this leg refuses to take this place now, then anything can happen in the take out this place. Anything can happen. Single trade is not a trade I'm going to use to set we have. That is that about that. This happens to be our trade. We're going to leave capitalize on this week. So picking, let's start from weekly. Let's see what we have this week. Okay. previous week high, and here happens to be our low, previous week low. And mind you, that leg actually it was our peak to range also. So week low, and this happens to be our weekly close and open. Okay, so we have that leg there. Liquidity, where are we expecting the liquidity to be taken and where are we expecting market to react from? So we have this level here. Let's just see what that level will give us. Maybe we're going to have a retracement into that level before we send price lower, or that's made its choice. And today's Monday, create a week higher, and it can kind of give us a regression, or we see to that on lower time frame. So let's move to daily. On daily, okay, you see this particular leg has been properly mitigated, and the only place we should be expecting reaction from is this level, which I believe it has already done. So I'll be expecting price to move lower or little high into that level. And we have this level here also, this internal structure perfectly aligned with weekly something that we are talking about. That's internal structure. No reaction from that level, and we see this level here. It can be, I'm using free something in Nigeria. So that free something is what I'm using for now. I don't see any reason why I should be using paid something. I didn't use indicator, I didn't use anything. I just use pure price action. So I can see on charts, and the free is offering me that. So, and my price is viewing those advertisements. So those are my price. Okay. So if I thought we're going to have any help that we have here, it's supposed to hold price above. But since these are range, and these are just minor structure within these major structures, so we sustain the price, and it has traded below it, then we should be close below it. Give us a close below it, then you can be expecting this level to sustain the price. This level here, so we have this internal structure above this level, and anything can happen. We can have a manipulation into that internal structure before price begin to come lower, but we'll see to that on lower time frame. So this is a but in minor trade. Let's go to 1 hour and try to see what we can capitalize on. Okay, see. Okay, we have this level here, and since it's new week, we can have a trading into all these levels. And personally, it's on good when we get to good. So we have this level or this level. So if I thought I'm going to be picking any trade this morning, it's going to be this particular one. Short position. I'll be taking it from this level here. In fact, even this level here, because we can have it and it might not even go into those level. That's 6. Let's pick this. Because we are not sitting with system. I'll be so busy. Making this analysis very early in the morning. And this is okay, 445. So that would be 445 times 5. So we have this level, 222 pips and 5 packets. So that will give us 125. I'll still be picking big range since we are not sitting with this time. So I don't like big ranges like this, but this particular times I don't have option. Personally, I would have risked from this level, yeah, picked a zone, reduce it to this level and send price lower. But this time around, anything can happen in the markets. Let me check news that we have today, so that at least try and see what the market is willing and not willing to do. So this will be my trade on Euro, at least for today. Then maybe New York, if I have time, we'll come back and review it and try to see what we can capitalize on. I won't be going lower. I won't be going to lower time frame because it's going to. I want it to be a very long trade. So that will be my trade on Euro. Let's go to NAS100 and see what we can what we can take out of the market. The network is so much slow. I don't know why. Okay. Here we are on NAS100. This is daily. Let's try to see. We are creating a new range, like I said, a new range. And there is not much clarity yet. As to the clarity, I mean, is as to our entry system. So it's still loading, but we're going to start from. I will start with reviewing what the trade we set for ourselves during last week Thursday. We'll try and see what the market is going to do. Okay. So this is our peaked range. Okay. We have this flip here. We have this particular flip here, and we have this this automatically turns to a strong low, which we are expecting to sponsor price up, and it's doing that. But currently, this will be our dealing range now. But we are yet to see any minor retracement into I'm kind of expecting a manipulation of this low into this level that we picked here, so that at least it can give us the up movement trend that we are expecting. I'm noticing here is the reason why it didn't come move. We are still creating the range is still being created. So if we see daily, we will see even any form of retracement. I don't know what happened to my network, but we're going to go through it. You see, there is no form of thing. Let me rest. I already have the account. So like I said, yes, this is even to buttress the point that I was trying to make, that this particular leg we are creating, and we are yet to have any retracement into it, and the NAS100 is just to be done in establishing this leg. That's the reason why we're there. So personally, what I'm going to be doing is very, very simple. I will still stick with my analysis and wait until this particular leg that we have here finish creating and give us a kind of shift into minor structures for the retracement. But long, this is my particular trade. And last week I talked about this being sustaining the price and moving it upward. And I was contemplating, but because I wasn't sitting with system, couldn't validate the level, because the market was here and it's yet to create this down movement when we were analyzing this place. So, but I was expecting a manipulation below this Asian range into our level, so that at least it could use, but we got the directions right. But what I'm finding out this morning is that, okay, up movement is yet to finish creating its leg. So that leg is yet, the range is yet to be fully established. So we're going to have this level here. And it's good that would be our trade. That would be my expectation. Let's assume I'm sitting with system. I'll be looking for trade on to scalp the market. This on NAS100. So they have time to sit with them. So okay, let's see the news that we have today. Okay, today November 11. Okay, since we have, let me see. Maybe we have holidays, because I'm not seeing any news here, which is okay. Today is Veterans Day in the United States, November 11. Okay. And Belgium and France is having Armistice Day. So okay. Anything can happen in the markets. It should be the volatility that might come into the market might not be that much. So let's leave it that way. We'll continue tomorrow then. Today there is holiday in US and Belgium and France today. So Let's go to gold and try to see. Let's review our trade, the trade we have on gold. My network is behaving very, very slow, so but we'll see through to it now. Okay. Welcome to gold. The golden house. Okay, we came from where we left before we try to see what we can capitalize on this morning. This particular one, like I said, I'm going to leave it because I'm just going to leave it. I'm going to leave it and let it continue. Let's see our previous trade and see how it played out. Let's talk with MTN. This is the reason why I hate using MTN in the morning, do my analysis. Glow used to give me some kind of okay. On seat would have very soon be hosting live trading session. Okay, from our analysis here, this leg wasn't taken, and in fact it meets this objective we missed and on the trade. Then we come back last week Thursday to do this analysis, and I was talking about this level, this particular leg that we have here. You know, I pick the whole range to a reaction point, but since the range is a very big range, I just have to divide it into two. Like if this particular leg, this first level that I pick did not materialize, then we're going to have this level materialize, and it played out accordingly. It played out accordingly. So that's our expectation in us, and we are still in trade. Gold is still in trade for us. So gold is in trade. So we have this level being perfectly reacted to. So and we just sacrifice. But what I noticed here is this. Let's assume we have this is what I was referring to on when I was analyzing euro the other time. I said, well, we're going to explain something like this. We would have had this is good. It seems to have a deeper retracement. So we have this because we have holidays today. Putting onto my trade, we can kind of look for a trade within this leg. I'll be looking, but we can try to take trade from. I'm already in trade. I don't want to do that. Network. That's not the level I'm talking about. This level. I mean this. Yeah. So you're expecting kind of reaction from that level or something. The reaction from that level then. It's to send price lower. But I'm already in trade, so I'm not going to be adding to my position. I'll let it flow. If we have a reaction, from this level, then we'll be expecting price to go lower in favor of our trade. This I guess we only have to take that euro trade today. Stick to our other trades on other peers. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful trading ahead and enjoy your day. Thank you.